There is something so rustic, natural, and romantic about real moss, and you can create your own living art with moss when you make this charming frame with the Aleene's DIY Craft Heavy Duty Adhesive Spray. Here's what you'll need: Aleene's DIY Craft Heavy Duty Adhesive Spray, Aleene's Tacky Glue, a frame, a moss mat, a disposable cup, scissors, permanent marker, wire cutters, assorted faux flowers and foliage, and Spanish moss. Before you make your natural moss frame, cover the work surface to prevent overspray. Roll out the moss mat with the paper backing facing up and the side with the moss facing down. Place the frame onto the moss mat and cut it 2 to 3 inches larger than the frame. This will allow you to wrap the edges of the frame with moss. Trace the inside of the frame with a permanent marker. Cut out the center of the mat 2 to 3 inches smaller than the marking. Cut a slit in each corner of the opening. Cut off the outside corners of the moss mat. It's nice to keep the moss that you've cut away and then use it in another project. Peel the paper backing off the moss mat and then you're ready to adhere it to the frame. Be sure to shake the Aleene's DIY Craft Heavy Duty Adhesive Spray can well. Spray the adhesive over the entire moss mat in an even coat. Now take the frame and place it face down on the adhesive covered mat. Pull the edges of the moss mat around the edges and the inside opening of the frame. Press with your fingers to ensure adhesion. Spray the adhesive on some Spanish moss and press it into the corners of the moss-covered frame. Now place your faux flowers and foliage on the frame to decide where you want to glue them. Squeeze Aleene's Tacky Glue into a disposable cup. Now dip each flower stem into the Aleene's Tacky Glue, then place it into the moss. Don't worry that the glue is white because it will dry clear. With Aleene's DIY Craft Heavy Duty Adhesive Spray, you can make this beautiful natural moss frame to add a living art element to your decor anywhere you like.